I don't know how you trade this.
It's very difficult to trade this. I think what the underlying sort of core belief is the diversification. So the concept of being diversified across the asset class, across the regions, across the currencies, and being attuned to the sort of the policymakers' reactions. And in my view, the Chinese policymakers, if this is not sufficient and enough, then they'll do more. And I trust the policymakers will do whatever it takes to ease the tensions on that.
But Thanos, could this be a black swan moment that actually tips the world economy into a recession?
Well, this is a black swan moment, and it could tip the world into a recession. My concern is less on the policymakers and potentially more on the shift over the last decade, if you like, between active and passive funds. So the growth of the passive industry, where sentiment and momentum could turn it the other way. So that, for me, is a concern. So I'm less concerned about the policymakers and more concerned about the structure of the market and the sentiment which it could drive. But I don't believe we're there.
Right. So what are you worried about the structure of the market? Lack of liquidity?
It's not so much the lack of liquidity, the fact that there's less of active and more passive management. So if the underlying momentum starts to turn in a negative fashion, then automatically the systematic traders, the sentiment will also turn and momentum will start to move lower.